bit fell on this.
Man, I would have fell as soon as I got on that bitch. That be me for real. I get in that too. Big boys. Back out here. Let's walk. Oh, you got the drone. Hey, what that stand for again, bro?
Him is over everything.
There you go. You heard it from the man. Him is over everything. Take it. Work.
I'm missing
Sunday Funday after the Kappa. Got trucks, cars, everything out here. Slingshots. Dirt bikes. Driver rights. We'll cut across. As you can see, it's a standstill. Huh? Yeah.
Right in the same spot.
In the same spot. Like I said, standstill. stand still. Big ass dog. Yeah. Drop it, pick it up. Hellcat. Hey, you see they're not moving. That's how crowded it is, not even moving. Geo, T-Rose. Look at T. Look at. Girl, no, she stopped. What's up, baby? Slow Joker. Slow Joker. Yeah, you know your name. Slow Joker. Slow Joker. What's up, baby? Oh shit, my bad. What up?
We all running into each other.
See, baby, see, y'all got the pedal boxes. The pedal boxes don't work for y'all, man. Stop it.
So we running? Joe, we running?
Hey, his hell yeah didn't sound confident, but the big boy voice on.
Hey, yeah, it was kind of low.
Yeah.
So we running. We run. Hey, we say we running.
Who running?
We running.
He said he running.
He say he running. Ken.
You ready? Okay. Not today,
All right.
Okay.
We running.
I'm on vacation today.
There you go. Different. I feel that. Huh?
Say Miss or Mister?
It says Miss, I think. Yeah, Miss Batman. Yes.
Oh, please.
Yeah, that's my next. It's Miss Batman. I don't see no IG or anything, but we're looking good though. It's looking real good. Hey, you ever raced a G8?
I'm not racing this shit.
Oh, you seen them in action?
Yeah, that nigga shit go.
Gotcha.
That nigga shit go. Have you ever heard this shit?
No, I never heard it. That's...
That ain't no regular ass G8.
Gotcha. What it is, man? What it is? Where we at, man? Where we at?
MLK Day, man. My boy out here getting his content, you know what I'm saying? Big chaser shit.
Big Chaser.
No slab, we in the Mopar, you know what I'm talking about? Straight up out of Florida in the ATX.
Yes. Not bad. What brings it?
I'm just waiting for them. Hey, you know they racing, right?
I'm crazy.
Yeah.
Y'all ready?
But he said he trained her.
Oh,
And remember, I don't want no fucking roll. I want it straight out the diggle. I don't want it.
Yeah, we could do both.
Both.
When y'all can beat T, y'all can race me.
What you gonna do, T? The winner? You gonna take the winner?
Let me show you what I did. I'm racing on June 5th.
June 5th. Hey, June 5th.
In St. Louis. From my D.
You heard her?
On the track.
On the track. She said on the track, St. Louis, June 5th. And of course, I'm racing Shaker again.
You a lie.
I'm saying it on video. I'm racing you again.
All right.
We just gotta set a date. Let's go for next month.
Next month. Let's do this next week, nigga.
We busy next
Oh,
week.
I can't say that on camera. Let's do this next week, sir.
All right, I edited that. Why I ain't monetized? You see, we're right in the middle of the park. We're not moving at all, of course. Most people got their cars off. So,
Okay, how long?
most famous guy in Houston right there.
What's going down? No, this thing is trippy, though.
Do you see the lens on that sucker? Look at the lens.
Oh, yeah, I need
As long as my phone. These photos, that's the man you go. His link will be in the description.